bit of the setup. I would highly recommend getting this kit here from this company. They're extremely good to deal with. Very fast shipping, very professional. Got it from their store on eBay. They respond really fast, seem like they're really good to deal with, and the kit's really good quality too. It's the best one I found. It spins so smoothly for just journal bearing. The kit seems to be really good. I'll put some more videos in of the parts that came in it. Got the 5-inch down pipe. Finish up the welds right there. Got the big exhaust housing. I think it's a 136, 96mm turbine wheel. T6. I still gotta do a few other upgrades. Still gotta do a T6 manifold, 4-inch intercooler piping to here. I'm gonna run 2 intercoolers and twin 3-inch intake all the way into the manifold, which is gonna be so the intake manifold now is single plane, but I'm gonna run a dual plane intake manifold, which I've never ever seen done on one of these. I want to pick up as much possible air getting into the engine and low end torque to spool that fucking thing right there. Because right now it only hits about 2,400 RPM with the converter lockdown, get it start coming on, but it's pretty much fully in by like 26, and then you're like hanging on. It's pretty fun. But yeah, definitely give these people a shout if you're using any rebuild kits. Very high quality, really great company to deal with. Basic plans for the truck. Trying to get well over 500 wheel horsepower, see as much as a VE can do. I don't know, they say they're only good for like 450, 500 wheel horsepower. I don't know what I'm at right now, but can push about 49 psi with converter locked with this turbo. And that's only 85 horse injectors, minus all the other stuff I've done to it, including inside the pump and everything. So I don't know. Hopefully it gets there. I guess we'll find out. Stay tuned, because running the dual intercooler setup and the dual plenum intake manifold, the dual plane intake manifold is gonna, I think, make a huge difference in this engine.